Hey, this is Peter Fletcher with, we're calling it the Gray Jedi right now. We'll go with episode 2. And we got a mail call from Rick Peverada, one of our good friends on Imperial Commissary. And so he was doing a live auction, and I was going through my collection, and I realized I did not have a atst driver, and so here he is, and got him for a really good deal. And then just again, the main thing is the pew. Le Pepe Le Pew is worth the figure, what I paid for the figure alone, probably, because you can't find these guys original. So we got your original atst pew, and I have to go do some research again if this pew is interchangeable with which figures. I can't remember off the top of my head. It's probably something like the B-Wing, and it's really similar to the Princess Leia gun, but I can't remember if it's exact. I'm bad, okay. I'm gonna double check on that. So in my next video, I'll get more comprehensive about that this one is interchangeable with, I'm sure, B-Wing, and it's really similar, but might be different to like the Imperial Gunner. Yeah, so finally I realized I was missing this guy out of my collection, and now I got him, Scout Walker, basically pilot, or ATST driver, different than your AT-AT, but his emblems are really crispy and good, and cool. Signing off, it's Peter Fletcher with the Gray Jedi.